Morning, everyone. It is Saturday, January 13th, 2017, and I'm just following my heat wave series here, and it is 13 degrees out at 5 o'clock, 5:05 in the morning. And we said we'd probably have about a foot of snow when I got up in the morning. I gotta go to work. Hopefully they called it off. So let's see what we got out. Kids want to go out. So let's see what we got. Wow. You're not going to go out? You're not going to attempt it? Huh? Wow, look at that. They weren't lying. Holy cow. Wow, that's in 8 hours. Because I went to bed at 10 o'clock last night. Wow. Well, I'm going to clear that off so they can get out. Holy cow. Well, I just shoveled real quick. And it's coming down just as fast as I'm down. Wow, look at that. That's incredible. Man, this past week has just been incredible when it comes to... Oh, wow. What's going on with this weather? Holy cow. Jesus. Oof. Let me take a look at the other side real quick. Holy cow. Wow. Look at, holy cow. Look at that, look at that. Look at the depth on that. We got some people actually trying to drive. Looks like they have been plowing. Oh, it's actually the plow. The problem is, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out of the driveway, even with the four-wheel drive. Holy cow. Ah, man. Wow. This is definitely going to be a snow blow the driveway day. The first of the evolution for the season. Well, y'all have a great day. We'll see how it all turns out. Hey, welcome to my vlog. Morning, it's Saturday, the 13th of January 2017. My mission right now is to get to work. I've cleaned off the stairs right now. As you can see how deep this stuff is. I gotta get to my garage. Alright. Well, I just dug my way to... There's a Chevy. I had to get out of the barn down below. Thank God I did what I did. We need to hit that registered soon. Whew. Alright. And it's still coming down. It hasn't quit all night. So I'm gonna do that this afternoon when I get home. Here we are for right now. Hey. Holy cow. Woo. I had to work that hard, even at work. Alright. Alright, let's go to work. See how this turns out. Oh man, it's gonna be the end of the driveway. It's gonna be the issue. He's been, you can see I got about 6 to 8 inches right here. I still ain't made it to the end of my driveway yet. We'll wait and see. I know clouds are going all night, so I have no idea how much snow I'm gonna have at the end of my driveway today to get out. I know I got new snow tires, so we're gonna find out here. We're gonna kick four-wheel drive on anyway. So I'll let you know how we work out. This could be short-lived. Alright, made it out of the driveway. It's pitch black. Yep, we made it out of the driveway. I'm running four-wheel drive right now, so. Yes, I did it. Yes, I did it. One more time. Yep, I made it. Made it on time. Oh, man. Hurry up, Mark. You're going to be late. Hope he's got good tires on that. He's the only one driving a car. How many times you push through there?
I can't get out.
Can't get out now?
Nope.
Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 four-wheel drives, so we'll be able to shove you out. Oh, man.